What's up guys, Samsung wants to show and sell its new top-level smartphone earlier next year. This year, they introduced the Galaxy S23 series on February 1st and sold the phone on February 17th. Reports from Korea says that Samsung plans to have its first big event for 2024 on January 17th in San Jose. People can start ordering the phone on the same day and phone will be available for everyone to buy on January 30th. If this schedule turns out to be true, Samsung will achieve its goal of getting its high-end phone to the market a bit sooner. This way, it can compete with the iPhone 15 series, which was launched in September. One indication that Samsung is planning an earlier release for its 2027 mobiles of the Galaxy S24 Ultra with the model number SM-S928B/DS on the Bureau of Indian Standard website. Finding a phone on this website usually means it will be released in a few weeks. Additionally, the Bluetooth SIG website has already confirmed that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will come with the S Pen as the Ultra model does every year. The upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra, which is the high-end model and takes inspiration from the now discontinued Galaxy Note series, is expected to feature a large 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1440x3088. It might also have the high refresh rate of 144Hz. Across all regions, the phone is likely to be equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset, which is expected to be both over and underclocked. As for the camera setup on the back, it's anticipated to include an impressive 200-megapixel camera thanks to the enhanced ISOCELL HP2SX 200-megapixel image sensor. The back camera will feature a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera with the support from the Sony IMX564 image sensor. A telephoto lens utilizing the 10-megapixel Sony IMX754 Plus sensor for 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel periscope camera that can achieve 5x optical zoom. The standard configuration may consist of 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of built-in storage. To keep things powered, a 5000 mAh battery is expected, supporting 45-watt fast charging. Notably, the phone is anticipated to have a titanium build for enhanced durability and premium feel. So yeah, that's a wrap up for today's sneak peek into the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next update. Stay tuned for more tech updates. As always, see you in the next one. Peace out.